It may be the fourth vaccine approved here, but it is the first that requires just one dose.
Muy bien.
Janssen's jab, already used in the States and Europe, will now be available in the UK later this year. With 20 million on order, it could have an important role if boosters are needed in the autumn.
The clinicians and the experts are looking at when will we need to boost those antibodies and T-cell protection in people. And this is an additional vaccine now approved in the UK by our regulator that goes into that arsenal of vaccines that we have available to us.
Adding to that arsenal should help protect us against the Indian variant. Latest data suggests it's driving an increase in cases across the country. Around 50,000 people in England had the virus last week, which is broadly unchanged. But in Scotland, the estimate is around 3,000 people. That's up significantly on the previous week. The picture's slightly better in Wales, with around 700 new infections. That's also up slightly. And there are signs of an increase in Northern Ireland too, where 1,200 people tested positive.
Next one, please.
So far, only very few are suffering serious illness, and most of those hadn't been vaccinated twice.
What we're seeing with the Indian variant is it's seeking out people who are not vaccinated or who are not fully vaccinated. And that's why we're seeing the cases rising in the younger population. And indeed, we're starting to see some folk at that age getting hospitalised as well. What this is reinforcing is the importance of double vaccination.
It is why we are still being told to be cautious and why the final easing of restrictions are still uncertain. Emily Morgan, ITV News.